Hey guys, how's it going on? My name is Kristifor and today I'm going to show you how to connect Hostinger with Filezilla. Let's get started. First thing that you need to do, open the link below in the description and purchase a hosting and domain. And once you have a hosting and domain, log into your account on hostinger.com. Let me log into mine. Once you're in the dashboard, now you will head over the hosting here and you will click manage. Now from here you will go to the files here and click on FTP accounts, and here you can find out some more informations. You will see your FTP informations like hostname, username, FTP port. You can change your FTP password as well and things like that. I'm keeping this hidden because it's a private information. But once you have this tab open, now the next thing is to download Filezilla. I'm going to leave links from this in the video description as well, for Windows and for Mac. And just click on it and download it. Once it's installed, just open it. So once you open Filezilla, you need to enter your host here, your username, your password, and your port. I'm gonna enter mine. I'm gonna keep them hidden. You will just copy the FTP IP address, paste it here. Then you will get the username, you will paste it as well. Then you will type your port and you will get your own password. And you will just click on quick connect and you will see this pop up. You will just click on OK. And if your site is fully connected, you will see all of this information here at this tab. So now you can easily transfer any kind of files or download if you have any backups, upload new files, upload new images directly to the backend without going to the FTP in the hosting, and do it through there. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. If you want to see some more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to get updated every time when I upload a new video. I'm uploading videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So until then, see you in the next video.